Welcome guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to make an extra $500 in 2018. So let's get to it. So about 8 years ago, my personal banker called me and he said, there's a great opportunity with a credit card. Yeah, credit card, thanks. Yeah, okay, I'll talk to you later, bye. Then he cut me off and he said, listen up. It's a good opportunity. If you spend, I think $2,000 within the first 90 days, you'll get $400 in rewards. I figured, okay, that doesn't sound too bad. So I ended up getting the card and it's been one of the best things I've ever done in my life. So thank you, Eddie, and let me explain why. After I got my $400 in rewards, I just kept using the card for bubblegum, to going out, to dining, to even sometimes paying off other bills. And I noticed that the points kept adding up every month. The way it was structured is I would get 5% for dining and entertainment, and I think it was 1% for all purchases. And literally for just using the card. I couldn't believe it. Ended up just every so often, getting a gift card here, getting a gift card there. It just kept adding up. That first year, I think I made about $600 in rewards, along with the 400 initial rewards. So I think I ended up getting about $1,000 that first year, which was amazing. It was money I wasn't gonna get anywhere else. What I didn't do is pay any interest. I was paying off the card every 2 weeks or every month or something like that, because I did not want to pay any interest. I wanted this credit card to only be what I need and my bare necessities. I wasn't going off and spending on new electronics or new clothing. It's just my standard way of living I was using this credit card for, and no other luxuries. So fast forward to today, guys. I've been making a minimum of $500 per year since those 8 years ago to now. The year just closed up, 2017, and I think I made $503, something around that amount. But it's free money, guys. It's amazing. And I only buy things I need, my bare necessities. If you feel you can't do that and you're gonna go off and spend on new clothes and the new iPhone, the new Galaxy, just for having that credit card, I recommend you do not get any credit card. Stick with cash, guys, stick with cash. But if you have self-discipline and you think you could do it, learn from me. I'm making about $500 per year. I even told my mom, and my mom got one, and I think she makes about $100 per year. She alternates, I think, cash and credit card, but it's free money. And every time she gets those automatic $25 transfers, she gets all excited. Even my brother that kept telling me, no, I hate credit cards, cash only, cash only. He is now raking in a lot of reward points every year. And he tells me, oh, I bought this with my reward points. Oh, I bought this with my reward points. It's amazing, guys. Even just with my bare minimum, groceries, clothing, my gas, and so forth, it adds up. Those 1, 2, 5%, whatever the bank is giving you, it adds up, and you can make easy extra cash this 2018. But you gotta keep in mind, you can't make these rewards if you're gonna be paying interest, because it's not gonna balance out to your favor, trust me. So make sure you're only getting those rewards and not paying that interest. So pay it off every 2 weeks, every week, every month, whatever you gotta do. Just don't pay interest. That will catch up to you and you won't make those extra 500, 600, 200, or whatever it is throughout the year. So there you have it, guys. That is an easy way to make extra cash in 2018. I vouch for it. And again, thank you, Eddie. for recommending this to me. I've made thousands of dollars in the past 8 years. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe, and I will see you in the comments.